Well, guys, got off of work a little early today. It's 7:25. I'm gonna go ahead and go take care of a small little job. There's a young gentleman that's got a 97 Chevy, I believe, and it's a little 1500 4x4. He's got a water leak, so I'm gonna go ahead and go replace that little water pump on that one, and maybe a hose or two. So let me go ahead and get there and go ahead and get that pump removed and replaced. All right, guys. Well, guys, old water was seeping through this little hole right here, and the nail. Well, guys, we're almost done with this one. Pulley, fan, belt, and we should call it a day on this one. It should be up and running. So let me go ahead and finish it off real quick. Hey, guys, focusing done. Check it for leaks, nothing. So we're going to go ahead and close it off here, and this is the future we're working. It's a little dark, but you can see it.